Well, hello all you fellow K-Class car tune collectors. So it's like me and two other people. Anyways, we have the Mazda R360 coupe here, and this is made by brand Choro-Q. And I have a suspicion this might have been a freebie that came like on a bottle of water or something. It looks like this is, a beverage thing. But I might be wrong, don't know. It also says Circle K, which is a convenience store. So again, probably a promo item for this convenience store chain. Okay, well, anyways, I had to pay for it, sadly. Oh boy, this thing is taped on all four sides. You'll see on the box here, it does say 2007, so it's kind of old. But I'm not too worried about it. Alright, so that's just cardboard. Let's take a look at this thing. So this is a 360cc K-Class car. And, it's possible this may have been Mazda's first car. So, being such a small capacity. It actually looks pretty good there. Alright, side view. So it's really small. And then Choro-Q managed to squish it down lengthwise a little bit. You'll notice the wheels are a good match. These really shiny chrome hubcap wheels. Here it is next to another small car. A Mazda Unos Roadster or Mazda Miata MX-5. Whatever you want to call these things. So, alright, well, it's shrunken down. Alright, let's see what else we have here. So I gotta say, I am impressed with the wheels. For a Choro-Q, they're not bad. They're definitely a unique casting. I've never seen these wheels before. And it looks like there's, some sort of casted in detail in the middle of them. Oh, I think that's the old Mazda logo. So hold on, let me spin it. Yeah, that is the old Mazda logo. So that's really neat. Alright, so this is a cream colored, very light yellow. It's a very light yellow, or really dark off-white. Okay, so the roof here, kind of feel like it's cracking. It's not smooth. So the model is over 10 years old, so I guess that's what happens. Alright, the front here, very nice. You got that Mazda badge and is written as well. And then the turn signals are painted orange, but the orange is a nice circle. And then the headlights is a little silver trim around it, and that's probably the same clear plastic as the windshield. I think this whole thing is this clear plastic and just painted really nice. So the ridges there in front of the windshield look pretty good. There's some black paint. Oh yeah, it's black paint, but it's clear. See, it's clear. You can see the paint above shifting. I thought it was black at first. Anyways, screwed base, 07. Doesn't say the car though, which is too bad. Nor does it have a sticker, which is too bad. You would think if it's a promotional item, they would have a sticker saying Circle K, right? Strange. But I guess if it's free, they want to cut costs. Nice red paint here though, so that's good. This is I'm not sure what this is. Maybe it's a giant fuel filler cap. Maybe it's actually not that giant. It's just that the car is so small. Nice rib detail here as well. Some exterior hinges look good. I think these are vents on the real car. A little door handle. And then nice silver paint and red paint on the roof. And there's the motor. So very nice. I'm happy actually. So they skipped the back sticker, big deal. The rest of the model is nice. I'd rather have extra paint here than on a sticker. So, very cool. Though, at first I thought about taking these wheels off and putting them on a different car, but since they literally have the Mazda logo in there, I'm going to have to just leave this the way it is. The riding height isn't too bad. I guess I could lower it, actually looking at the side photograph. So let me come back. I'm going to lower these wheels. Alright, well, I do like it now. I had to camber out the rear wheels for that crazy JDM style. I used putty to mount those wheels, by the way. So I actually do have a 1/64 scale version of this car. It's made by Dido, and here it is. It's a pretty nice model in its own right, that little thing. To give you a better sense of the scale, next I'm going to put this Aoshima Rx-8 up. So, in fact, I suppose this should be right here. So that's how small these little K cars were. I mean, it's like the size of a golf cart, right? Here's a top view. up there a little longer. For some Choro-Qs, here's a Honda N360. So that's a K-Class sedan or coupe or hatchback. I don't know what they called it. Here's a more modern K-Class car. It's a Suzuki Cappuccino. No, it's a Daihatsu Copen. My bad. So that's a 660 or 600cc, somewhere in the 600cc range. And then here's I wanted to have a convertible, but it's a larger car, a Datsun 2000 Sports. And this has 3D printed wheels, and some wheels I don't know what they came off of, but they had exposed axles, so I'm not really sure. Alright, a little top view again. Okay, let's get this guy spinning on its own. Well, what a sweet little car. It turned out to be much better than I thought it would be. It actually has a lot of painted details. In particular, I also like the badging on the wheels and on the hood. So Circle K for a freebie. You guys did a great job. Well, freebie for someone. Maybe it wasn't free, I don't know, but it obviously looks like it belonged on a water bottle or something. Okay, well, I'm going to have to take a look and see if I can find any others from this Circle K chain, and hopefully they'll be just as good. Well, thanks for checking this out. I'll see you in the next review.